In the ever-evolving world of Windows customization and open-source utilities, users are always searching for clever tools to enhance performance, bypass restrictions, and make Microsoft's operating system truly their own. One such tool, FlyOB, has become increasingly popular among enthusiasts who want to bypass Windows 11's strict system requirements and run the OS on older, unsupported PCs. This small but powerful app has gained a loyal following for allowing users to skip hardware checks like TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot, while offering options to debloat Windows, remove unnecessary bloatware, and make the system feel smoother and faster, especially useful on low-spec machines that struggle with Windows 11's heavy resource usage. However, in a shocking twist, the developer FlyOB has just issued a critical security alert warning users about a dangerous, unofficial mirror website that could compromise your system if you're not careful. According to the developer's official GitHub post, a fake website using the domain flyob.net has appeared online, claiming to be the official download source of FlyOB utility. But here's the truth. That site is not affiliated with the project in any way and may host tampered or malicious versions of the app designed to trick unsuspecting users. In a bold red-letter warning, the developer wrote, "Do not download from flyob.net. This is an unofficial mirror and may host tampered or malicious builds. It has no affiliation with me or this project official pages." This means anyone downloading FlyOB from this fake site is taking a huge risk, one that could lead to malware infections, data theft, or system compromise. The only legitimate and verified source to download FlyOB safely is the official GitHub repository maintained by the original developer. But what's particularly worrying here is how convincing this fake site looks. It uses professional branding, identical screenshots, and even an FAQ section that falsely assures users that the download is completely safe and secure. In fact, their FAQ brazenly states, "Yes, it is safe if you download from our official site," directly misleading users who don't realize they're already on a fake page. This deceptive tactic is especially dangerous because tools like FlyOB require administrative access to make system-level changes. Installing maliciously modified version could give hackers full control of your computer, allowing them to inject keyloggers, spyware, or backdoors, all without you ever noticing. What makes matters worse is that the authentic FlyOB app itself is sometimes flagged by anti-malware programs due to its deep system access, meaning even legitimate users could be confused about what's safe and what isn't. The situation perfectly illustrates how easily cybercriminals can exploit the popularity of open-source utilities to spread malware. FlyOB isn't alone in this. Other widely used open-source apps like Rufus, Ventoy, and NTLite have faced similar impersonation attempts, where fake websites mimic the original to distribute malicious payloads. The developer community has long warned that downloading tools from unverified third-party mirrors is one of the easiest ways to get infected, especially when dealing with system utilities that modify Windows installation or bypass hardware checks. But beyond the security scare, there's also exciting news about FlyOB's latest legitimate update. The developer recently released a major new version that completely reworks the app's architecture for better performance, modularity, and user experience. One of the biggest changes is the separation of FlyOB and its companion upgrade tool, Fly-by-11, previously known as Upgrade OB. In older versions, both tools were tightly linked, handling both Windows setup bypasses and OS customization in a single package. Now, they've been split into two standalone applications for greater stability and focus. FlyOB now specializes 100% on customizing Windows 11 after installation. Things like tweaking the out-of-box experience, removing bloatware, adjusting default apps, and personalizing UI elements. Meanwhile, Fly-by-11 focuses purely on upgrading from Windows 10 to 11, offering smoother bypassing of hardware restrictions like unsupported CPUs or missing TPM modules. The developer even confirmed that Fly-by-11 now depends only on a single file, CPU Check Native DLL, which users can remove to allow upgrades on unsupported processors. However, keep in mind that SSE 4.2 support is still required, meaning extremely old CPUs still won't make the cut. On the visual side, the update brings a fresh UI refresh that looks cleaner, modern, and easier to navigate. There's now an option to choose a custom background image, a redesigned app settings view, and a simplified menu layout that feels more intuitive. The Reinstall OOB page has been renamed to Advanced, better reflecting its purpose. The developer also restructured much of the code on the hood, performing large-scale refactors that improve speed and prepare the app for even more powerful future features. The upgrade process itself has also been streamlined. Updates are now smoother, more reliable, and less likely to cause crashes or errors. These refinements make FlyOOB an even better choice for tech-savvy Windows users who like to take control of their OS beyond Microsoft's built-in limitations. But again, the biggest takeaway here is security. With a fake version of FlyOOB circulating, it's more important than ever to verify your sources. Always check the official GitHub link. Confirm the developer's digital signature, if available, and never trust any website that isn't directly linked from the original project's page. Cybercriminals thrive on confusion and curiosity, especially when they know users are looking for tools to tweak or unlock their systems. It's an easy trap to fall into. You search FlyOOB download, click the first link that looks official, and boom, your PC can be compromised before the installation even finishes. So how can you protect yourself? First, always double-check the URL. Official sites will almost always use GitHub, GitLab, or developer-verified domains. Second, never disable antivirus or firewall warnings just to install a tool unless you confirmed it's from a legitimate source. And third, bookmark the authentic FlyOOB repository so you never accidentally end up on a cloned site in the future. If you're a Windows user who's been exploring bypass tools or customization utilities, remember that convenience should never come at the expense of security. The allure of bypassing system requirements to run Windows 11 on unsupported hardware can be tempting, especially with how restrictive Microsoft's checks have become. But downloading from unverified sources could lead to much bigger problems, from corrupted installations to stolen personal data. To put it simply, don't let your curiosity become a cyber risk. Always prioritize safety and authenticity when dealing with third-party apps. In conclusion, FlyOOB remains one of the most innovative and useful tools for advanced Windows customization, and its latest update proves that the developer is committed to improving functionality and user experience. However, with fake versions now emerging online, vigilance is key. Make sure you download only from the official GitHub page and ignore any other mirrors or third-party download sites claiming to offer exclusive versions. The fake site at flyoob.net should be avoided at all costs, as it can host tampered code designed to infect your PC or steal your information. For anyone looking to try the real safe FlyOOB app, you can find a verified download link through trusted tech sources or the developer's GitHub repository. At the end of the day, tools like FlyOOB represent the freedom and creativity of the Windows enthusiast community, but that same openness also invites malicious actors who want to exploit it. So be smart, stay alert, and protect your PC from potential threats. Our final recommendation: download only from official sources and always verify authenticity before installation. Cybersecurity starts with awareness, and one careless click can cost you your data, your privacy, or even your system. Stay informed, stay safe, and keep your tech clean and optimized. And for more updates on the latest Windows 11 features, customization tools, and security alerts, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned to TechVerse, your trusted channel for everything technology. Because here, we turn tech confusion into clarity and curiosity into confidence.